Hello, I've got a lathe project I'm going to be doing out of some white Delrin. I'm going to be doing it on my mini lathe. Let's get into that. I'm going to be working with some Delrin. This happens to be white, makes no difference what color it is. But what I need to do is make a hose adapter that goes from a 20 millimeter ID to a 12 millimeter ID. And I'm going to be doing a through hole of about 3/8 of an inch. Let's start working on this. Okay, I choose to use high-speed steel cutters when I work with plastics. I just think they cut so much better. But what I need to do first is face this off, and then I'm going to drill my 3/8 hole through. Let's get into that. Like I said, I'm going to just face this off first and then drill through at 3/8 of an inch. If I can find my 3/8 drill. Here we go. It's nothing special. This is just a reducer. It's for another project I've got going. I'm not even going to bother with a center drill or spotting drill of any sort. This is a split center on this stubby drill, and that should be good enough. I started it with the stubby drill, and then I'm going to go to a regular length drill. I like to go from one length to from a stubby right to a regular size drill to get the whole drilling straight. Sometimes when you start out with a real long drill, it doesn't stay on center. Okay, the hole's drilled. Okay, I already faced it off. Now I'm going to go about halfway. Let me move my dead stop. And I need to bring this down to 787 thousandths, 20 millimeters. About halfway. That looks about halfway. That's all I really care. It's all eyeball. Let's get a measurement on there and see how much it's going to take to finish this. It's not the right size mic. I need 1.5 inch mic. Or mic calipers. 1 inch, 60 thousandths. We'll take 260. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 thousandths. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 thousandths. $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150 thousandths. Take another light cut and see where I'm at with the micrometer. $905. So I'll take another 105 thousandths. We'll end up at 8. And we'll do some fine cuts from there. $50 thousandths. $50 thousandths. I just went on about an 1/8 inch or so. Let's see where this is. 800 thousandths. I need 787, 780. So we need 20 thousandths. 5. Take 15 thousandths and see where we're at. $787. 75, 85, 86, 87.5. That will work. Now what I need to do is I'm going to put a little lead on there, but I'm going to do it with a file. Okay, you have to remember to put a handle on it when you're working in a lathe. It looks good. Let's flip this thing around and go down to 12 millimeters, which is 472, 475, somewhere around there. Okay. I'm just roughing this off by hand. Take a quick measurement. It's 590. $476. I think that's close enough. We're going to put a little lead on it. And that should be fine. What I want to do now, I spun the thing around and I'm back on the 20 millimeter size. I just want to put a taper in there so that the flow is a lot easier through the hose. I want to put a taper in there. I don't have any taper reamers big enough, but I figure if I put the boring bar into the hole and just go backwards with the compound, I'll keep dragging out the material until I feel it's big enough. I have set the angle on the compound already using this protractor. I use it on the side of the carriage and just adjust this until this fits the protractor. That's how I do it. I took that other thing off that comes with the protractor, whatever you want to call it, that's on the machine when it comes. It was very inaccurate. Okay, let's get on with it. Let's see what happens. That's a decent angle. Oh yeah, I think that's gonna work. All right, this is what I was after. To go from the 20 millimeter down to 12 millimeter. I drilled a 3/8 hole through it, and I put a taper in here. It took a couple of cuts. I think I only filmed one or two, but this is what I was after. I think this video's coming to an end. We're going to wrap it up, and until next time, enjoy.